Hi, I'm Stacey. This is Serve It, another home edition. I'm gonna have a one-pan meal for you, sheet pan French chicken, and all you need is 5 ingredients. So real easy cleanup and super delicious. So what you're going to need, 8 skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs. I prefer thighs. If you wanna use breasts, totally fine. 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. If you can only find russet, no worries. About a pound of leeks. If all you can find are scallions, just do 1 pound of scallions. A little salt and pepper, some olive oil, capers, and lemon, and you are good to go. So really nice and easy. You're gonna take the leeks, make sure you just really wash them good. You're only using the white parts. If you're using scallions, you're gonna do the whole thing. The wider part of the leeks, you wanna kind of cut down into thinner strips. So here is the bed that we're making. Next, our potatoes. You wanna make sure they're really thinly sliced, about 1/8 of an inch. I use a mandolin, makes it super easy, but if you only have a knife, just be very careful. Lay those over top. You just don't want to stack them too thickly. Now I'm able to use one of these commercial size sheet pans, but if you don't have one, you might want to put this on 2 different sheet pans. Now we're gonna take some kosher salt and we're just gonna give this a good drizzle. Then we're gonna take some olive oil and then a little bit of pepper. I have done skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and it still turns out great. But with its skin on, it really creates an amazing juice. So take your chicken, and you're going to spread this out over top of the potatoes. And now we're just gonna salt and pepper the chicken. And then you wanna drizzle just a little bit of that olive oil. And then what I'm gonna do is go back in and give our chicken thighs a little bit of a massage. That'll make it nice and evenly brown. I usually don't eat skin on a chicken, but this dish, I always make an exception to that rule. We're gonna pop this again into a 425-degree oven, roast it for about 30 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the chicken, the potatoes, and the leeks, place them aside, and we're gonna take the pan juices and make a nice sauce with lemons and capers. There are the pan drippings. You can see it doesn't produce a lot because the potatoes helped soak some of it up. All I'm gonna do is add the juice of 1 lemon, maybe not all of it, taste it first, and 2 tablespoons of capers, and just spoon a little bit of that over top that chicken. Perfect. With this dish, I recommend a crisp, refreshing Sauvignon Blanc. Works well against the citrus of the lemon and the tart saltiness of those capers. Cheers for an easy weeknight meal and less cleanup. To shop everything you see in the show, go to qvc.com and search Serve It. And don't forget, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode of Serve It. Cheers.